Come on. Throw it in. Throw it in.
Any day now.
Yeah, throw it in. Throw it in. Throw.
Look at Honey. Honey's
Dad,
like,
I'm gonna eat it.
Honey won't let go of her basket and collect it. She's.
Happy Easter, everybody. Come on, Jackson. Hurry up. Look. Look. All the eggs. He's already eating.
Yeah, he's eating.
Hurry, Honey.
Good job, Mama.
The other eggs. The other one. Go get the other one. Here. Here.
Okay, Gina, let them get the rest. Your bag is full.
Yeah, Gina. Go. Go eat your candies.
Hurry up, Mama. You got a lot of eggs.
Come on, Jackson. Okay, go. Grab the
Gina,
other eggs.
you don't want any more eggs?
No, I told her let the little one.
Oh,
Let the rest.
okay.
Good job.
They take forever.
I know.
Jackson's eating it this one.
Good job, Jackson.
Oh, the other eggs. Hey, where you going? Oh, shoot, I shouldn't have.
That's too many eggs for them.
Go get the other eggs. Look.
Gina, come help them. Go help them. Help them put theirs in the basket.
Put the ball down.
She's like, ugh,
Put the ball
Oh
down.
my gosh, I was gonna eat my own candy.
She's like, now I gotta help you losers. Just kidding.
Honey doesn't like nobody helping her. She's. Mama,
Jackson.
Trina, did you look for the gold egg over there?
she got it.
Oh. There's 2 gold eggs. Mama. Mama, go over there.
Here, Jackson. Get the egg right there.
Go get it, Mama.
Get the egg right there.
Mama,
Mama,
go get it.
Go get it.
get the gold egg.